Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have their 2023 Toyota GR Corolla Circuit. It's very windy out, so I will do an outside walk around, but I just want to talk while I'm in here because you won't hear me out there. Marizo shift knob. I love this car. I absolutely love this car. I just stepped out of an R8 and I still love this car. I've driven the Core and the Marizo. I believe the Marizo was the last one I drove, and it's been about a year or two since I last drove one. Oh, I forgot how good this car was. This is my favorite hot hatch, bar none, with the Integra Type S right there with it. So let's take a quick peek outside. JBL sound is really, really good. Wow. Oh yeah. Forged carbon roof. Like that a lot. Limited edition to 1500 produced. Let me see, I just got an email from work. It's my day off, but no such thing as a day off. Good. I'm not in trouble. That's all that matters. All right. Love these seats too. I'm a heavier set American and I still love these seats. So you can adjust 60-40, 30-70, track is 50-50. We'll do 60-40 because this is on summers and it's 28 degrees. What a good car. You know, ironically, yesterday at work I appraised a 2013 Corolla S with a manual, which I guess there is some lineage to this, but it's amazing how different this car is compared to that. This car is just one of the best driver's cars I've ever driven. They don't make cars like this very often anymore. It's so playful. The harder you drive it, the more it wants you to drive it like that. It's just, man. But then when you settle down and you just drive, it is a Corolla. It drives very comfortably. I could daily the crap out of one of these. Turn in, phenomenal. I'm not pushing it on these tires. Oh man. It's very windy today, so the wind noise is going to be a little amplified. This is just good. So good. So much torque for a force-fed 3-cylinder. This thing, it rips. You do have IMT, intelligent manual transmission, which gives you rev matching. On upshifts and downshifts. I've been doing it myself very happily. And I like that you can have whatever drive mode you want and turn the rev matching on and off. There's a dedicated button for it. That's with that. Let me try it myself. Alright, it's so easy to rev match this thing. Exhaust sounds good. It's actually pretty loud. I mean, not extremely loud. It's not R8 V10 loud, but it's actually extremely easy to drive because as you release the clutch, it revs itself up. So this is ironically a very easy car to learn manual on. What I love about this car was the first time I drove it, I went into it with the expectations that it was a Corolla. I was so happily surprised. And the more I drive these cars, the more I realize how good they are. It's Porsche-like in the way that it just does what you want. And it's so fun to drive this thing day in and day out. If you ever throw me the keys to a GR Corolla, I will never say no. You could ask me anytime, hey, you want to take a drive in this GR Corolla? I will always say yes. These are just genuinely some of the best driving cars under 50,000. Oh, I'll say under 100,000. This is one of the best driving cars you can buy. And I know a lot of magazines agree with me on that. And I'm glad they do, because it is genuinely true. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.